Hello, it's been a long time since I haven't uploaded any grammar video lesson. I'm sorry for that. Today's topic is very easy. You will learn how to say I want, I don't want, and I don't like doing something in Korean. We will start off with 고 싶다, which means I want. 고 싶다 and 고 싶어 하다 mean the same thing. The only difference is that 고 싶다 is used with the first and the second person pronouns, and 고 싶어 하다 is used with the third person pronouns. 고 싶다 and 고 싶어 하다 can only be used with verbs, just like in any other language. You need to attach 고 싶다 and 고 싶어 하다 to a verb stem, whether it ends in a vowel or a consonant. Let's take a look at a few examples. Here you see 4 sentences. If you want to practice, you can pause this video and try to translate the sentences into Korean by yourself. Here, who came from India yesterday, you should have used a noun modifier. You can learn more about noun modifiers in lesson 41. So, 어제 인도에서 온 친구를 만나고 싶어요. 인도에서 온 친구 is a friend who came from India. What do you want to eat? 무엇을 먹고 싶어요? My friend went to bookstore because he wanted to buy a dictionary. 제 친구가 사전을 사고 싶어 해서 서점에 갔어요. And I want to learn Korean and Chinese. 저는 한국어와 중국어를 배우고 싶어요. You can add any grammatical construction that makes sense to 고 싶다 as we did in this sentence. With the following grammatical construction, you can say that you don't want something. It's also very easy. You just need to add 지 않다, which we used to form negative sentences, to 고 싶다 or 고 싶어 하다. This way you get 고 싶지 않다 or 고 싶어 하지 않다. Here you are given a few examples. Try to translate them into Korean by yourself. 저는 이 영화를 보고 싶지 않아요. Koreans don't use personal pronouns that often. My friend doesn't want to take the subway. 제 친구는 지하철을 타고 싶어 하지 않아요. I don't want to go to school today. 오늘은 학교에 가고 싶지 않아. or 않아요. or 않습니다. And the last one, I don't want to go outside because it's cold. 추워서 밖으로 나가고 싶지 않아요. The following grammatical construction is used when you want to say that you hate doing something. It also attaches to a verb stem, whether or not it ends in a vowel or a consonant. Here are some examples. Pause the video and try to translate the sentences by yourself. I don't want to wake up early. 저는 일찍 일어나기 싫어요. You need to read this as 싫어요, not 싫어요, okay? To learn more about double 받침, you can watch a lesson number 5. Okay, the next sentence. My younger brother doesn't want to do homework. 제 남동생은 숙제를 하기 싫어해요. I don't want to do it. 이것을 하기 싫습니다. or 싫어요. And I don't want to go because I'm tired. 피곤해서 가기 싫어요. 피곤해서 is because I'm tired, and 가기 싫어요 is I don't want to go. So that's all for today. Here is a list of new words. Try to learn them by the next lesson.